Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and follow a curator in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for the Deepstash, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started browsing all the books that are recommended to us. We can take a look at the posts by other people we follow and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to follow a curator. So basically guys, we are going to go and be navigating to their profile. So what you can do is either go ahead and follow them from an idea or navigate to their profile directly. So what we can do is use the explore option right here at the bottom of the screen. Click on explore and it's going to open up the explore menu, from where we can get started finding new topics. And let's say we want to open up the books. From here we can get started finding new curators. As you can see, it says top curators, and let's say you want to open up any of them. If you click on them, it's going to give you this option to follow them. So if you want to follow them, just click the follow button. It's going to start following them, and now you're going to go ahead and be getting their ideas on your home page, from where you can go ahead and interact with them and so on. If you decide to unfollow them, just click the following button again and it's going to unfollow them, as you can see, successfully right here, and now you're no longer going to be following them. So that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.